Let's get ready to Oball! Unique design, bold color, and tactile intrigue. From balls to beat chasers and cars, Oball puts a dynamic spin on playtime. Little ones can't wait to get their hands on these amazing toys. Designed to be easy for little hands to grasp, these bold colors and geometric designs will spark your child's inquisitive nature. These toys will be a favorite at playtime or anytime. Oball continues to design new products that captivate and entertain little ones of all ages. Loved by people big and small, playtime never ends with Oball.